Welcome back, everyone, to our new segment, Weekend Q&A.
Yeah, everyone's been waiting. So, CK, spill it. Where have you been? Secretly enjoying the autumn leaves in Gars without us?
Haha, not quite. I've been buried in a huge project that took all my energy. So, I figured, let's do a weekly Q&A to answer everyone's questions all at once.
Great idea. Saves everyone from spamming the comments. So, what is on the menu today?
Today, we start with a question I've been asked a million times. CK, why don't you make a ComfyUI installation tutorial like other creators?
Ah, the million-dollar question. Are you holding out on us? Or do you not know how to install it yourself?
Me, not know how. Back in 2023, when I started with ComfyUI, I went all in. Back then, a 3090 GPU was entry level. I gritted my teeth and got a 4090 rig.
A 4090, the king of cards back then. How fast was it?
Fast! Running SD 1.5 models was silky smooth. Images popped out swish, 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 but the good times didn't last. When SD 2.0 came out, it slowed down. Then video models arrived, and my 4090 started gasping for air.
Hardware can't keep up with the software.
It is worse. Early this year, the Wan'er Series models dropped, and my 4090 felt like it went from a sports car to a tractor, couldn't handle it. And my hard drive, a few gigs used to be nothing. Now models are 30, 40, even 70 gigs, 2 of those, and my drive is full.
My gosh, this AI doesn't run on electricity, it runs on money.
In a rage, I added a 4 terabytes drive. The result, still not enough. And now, with models like Wen 2.2, a 4090 can't even produce decent quality. It has become the minimum requirement.
So, if Wen 2.5 comes out next year, is the 4090 officially obsolete?
It won't even be a tractor, more like a wheelbarrow. So, that is my first reason for not teaching installation. Hardware updates can't keep up with AI's progress. Asterisk, asterisk, your wallet can't handle this race.
True. A gaming PC used to last 2 years. Now with AI, you need an upgrade every year. Who can afford that?
The second reason is even more of a headache. Environment issues. Jeez, ComfyUI is a global playground for programmers. Everyone's PC setup and Python version is different.
It is like the United Nations in there. No one can agree on anything.
Exactly. You install one new node, and its requirements might pollute your old Python environment. All your previously working nodes gone, overnight.
I get it. It is like a peaceful family, and then a troublemaker relative moves in and messes up all the house rules.
Precisely! Take last week's Sulks podcast. It needs Transformer version 4.57.1. If you install that without knowing, congratulations, your other nodes can officially retire.
Oh no, then you have to start over, reinstalling everything one by one. Who has the energy to learn after all that hassle?
Exactly! You spend more time fixing the environment than creating. Thankfully, I found the full-running Hubby platform.
Oh, a cloud platform.
Right! On the cloud, you never worry about hardware upgrades. That is their problem. No more struggling with installations. They have tech experts. You just log in every day to learn, use it, and figure out how to make awesome videos.
Let the pros handle the technical stuff, so we creators can focus on creativity.
That is the main point. We're here to play with ideas, not compete with programmers on tech issues. Those are my 2 big reasons for not teaching installation.
I see now. It is for our own good.
So I predict, in the near future, running ComfyUI locally on a personal PC won't be feasible. The cost is too high. A $5,000 to $6,000 PC might be outdated in a year. It is not worth it. Better to wait until AI tech matures and its pace slows down.
Makes sense. So, any other goodies to share before we wrap up the Q&A?
Of course! Let me introduce another cool thing I mentioned last video, Twitter's new Swai Grokey model.
Grok, what is special about it?
4 big features. First, it is swai-free. Second, super fast generation. Third, it includes sound tour. And fourth, extremely simple to use.
That's good. No prompts needed.
You can just upload an image, and it will analyze it and generate content. Of course, you can also write prompts. While it is not as detailed as our open source models, it is really fun for making short 5-second videos.
Free, fast, and simple. That is a dream come true for our tech-challenged audience.
Exactly! I use it for many of the short clips in my videos. I'll post the link in the comments. Everyone should give it a try.
Awesome. Thanks for sharing, CK. That is all for this weekend Q&A. See you all next week.